way too much fun over in this cotton field. Watch him. Look at all those tires. There's 8 tires on that thing. Pull up. Okay. Telling y'all I'm having too much fun out here. It is muddy. I wore new boots. We got a full load now. There goes the rope. All right, I'm not much help, but I'm gonna see what I can do. Y'all wanna see Jason? He's over there. See those hogs? He's gonna try to shoot hogs. I'm gonna shoot video. Not of him shooting hogs, of course. That'd be crazy. Woohoo! Good job! I'm so proud, y'all. My first load of cotton is going to market. He's right there. Woo! What does cotton go for these days? There's a bunch right there. Hey, Donna, also, I'm working on getting you a couple twigs of it. All right, say bye. He's pulling off into the sunset. Goodbye, Cotton. Man, the sun is so pretty down here at sunset. There he goes. We'll come back for y'all later, okay? Bye. Y'all have a good evening.